Hi guys, so welcome to my vlog again. So for today, we're going to Costco. Bibili lang kami ng mga groceries sa Costco at para matingnan nyo na rin kung ano ang tsura ng Costco dito sa Australia. So, let's go! Hi Cloud! Ang cute naman ng pants mo, Cloud. So guys, are you ready? So Rain, what are you going to buy there? Nothing? Not even noodles? Alright. So guys, now we're going to Costco. Tara na. Say hi to the camera, guys. We're here na guys sa Costco. Ang daming tao. Rain, video me. Hi guys, so welcome to my vlog and andito tayo ngayon sa Costco. So, si Rain yung pinapa-video ko kasi wala naman siyang silbi. Yun ang silbi sa mundo. So, hindi niya...
You're vlogging at a Costco?
Yeah! Hey, don't be too close! Ang toxic crowd. So, this is Costco. Parang ano lang siya, SNR. So, malamig at mahangin sa labas. So, ang book natin, oily and messy. So, first stop is banana. Second stop, cookies.
You were just getting inspired naman.
Kumbala.
Raw?
Ha?
Kumakain ka na to, raw?
Na oyster? Ako pa talaga yung tinanong mo.
Ang tagal ko na itong gustong bilhin kasi favorite ko ang oyster but yung price kasi
Wow.
is too expensive.
Tapos ilan lang.
Ano?
So, are you gonna ano mo? Anong ano mo dyan? Yung parang,
Raw na may,
yung parang may ano lang, may lemon.
yeah, may lemon lang.
Okay, try natin. So, let's go.
Pagtahong.
So, tahong,
This is $15.
$15.
Per kg na siya.
Oh, 2 kilo na guys. Ito is 2 kilos, ano na, 15. Ayan, grabe.
And you know what?
King lobster to. Ay, king crab pala. So, ayan guys, ito yung seafood section. May mga fish doon, kaso si Kuya dyan, hindi nag-fish. So, shells lang, ganun.
Oh, yeah.
So, here's the meat section. Yes! May puyat. Ayan guys, sana po yung kimchi. So, ayan. Sarap to. So guys, try tayo ng free taste dito. Waiting. Abang-abang. I'll try.
Thank you. The next batch will be in about 10 to 12 minutes.
Lumukmuk. Ang naman sa? Masarap yung paus niya. Hindi ano, parang karton. Parang Hala guys, mas maganda tong mic na to kaysa yung sa feather. So, pangat ng quality kanina. Sorry. So guys, now he's looking for the Jin ramen. The video a while ago when I was accusing you of not buying anything, even noodles. The audio was not recorded. Oh, let's go. So guys, this is basmati. Make space for the rice. Hold it. Of course, spam.
I just said we have to.
Winter! Hi, Winter! Hi, Winter! So guys, ayun ang haba ng pila. The line is too long. Oh! Winter! Look! That's you, Winter! Ano tayong snacks? Wala nang iba? Bye, Rain!
Marami siyang ano.
Dapat yung nuggets na anek. Oh! Hindi yan.
May rice.
Nice.
Fine. I'll get what you want. Yung may almonds yun.
Oo. Ano na lang? Wala bang yun lang? Yung may almond lang? Dapat yung almond lang. Ayoko yung may nugget. Uy, paborito ni Ice eh. Ibagon ko si Ice. Where's the line? Overlap. So, ito na siya guys, mga pinamili. So guys, ganito maglagay ah. Hindi yung ano-ano kayo eh. Napainit yung dugo ko eh. Rain, hold this first. Dapat yung mga magagaan sa taas. Wow. 300 made it. Okay, thanks, Rain. Oh, hi guys, you're there. Oh, the car is here. Oh, take a video vlog. Take a video vlog. Ay, no more na. Oh, look. Uh-oh. Come on, let's go. Hey, hurry up. Wait. Okay, better? So, paano natin to ilalagay?
First, this one.
Orange. It's so cold. It's 20 degrees and the wind is strong, so grabe pa. Dumadagdag pa yung hangin. Okay. Done. Nice. Thanks, Rain. So, guys, di uso ang ano dito. Bag. Kailangan may dala ka. Or box kung meron sila. So, now let's go. May nag-aabang na. So, now, guys, we're home. Yeah, unload na natin yung mga binili. Ay! Oh, no! So now guys, we're gonna use this para mabilis yung pag-transport natin ng goods. Okay, now guys, we're gonna try oyster. So, nakailan na si ate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Grabe. So, paano to?
Lagyan mo lang ng lime.
Ito, pipigaan. Tapos, mix. Ganyan. Tapos,
Kupin mo na.
yikes. Shell pa. Sarap.
Super fresh na.
Huh! Pa. Masarap to kung may ano. Try ko yung may chili. Wait lang, guys. Oh no, Cloud is crying. Dapat ito. So guys, lime with Tabasco. Let's eat. Hindi ko pala na halo. Ayan.
$1 ang isa niyo.
Grabe mahal.
Yes na lang.
Ako din. Di, mas okay pala guys pag ano lang. Ito lang.
Pag raw.
Oo. Mas ma-appreciate mo yung ano, yung dagat. Michelle pa. Okay, last one. Tapos lagyan lang natin konti tuloy. Tapos mix. Cheers! We're done for the food. Namaste.